I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting inside Word with the page visible. First, locate the exact content to remove. Open Print Layout or Draft so page boundaries show, then enable the navigation pane and click Pages to pick the page. Make sure formatting marks are on so you see paragraph marks and manual page breaks. Once done, click the page preview or place the cursor at the start of the content you want gone. This precise selection avoids accidental deletion of surrounding material and prepares you for the next removal steps. Now you'll remove the page content precisely. Click and drag or use Shift+click to select from the first character to the last character on the page. For long sections, use Ctrl+Shift+End or Home to expand selection. If a manual page break exists, place the cursor before it and press Delete, or after it and press Backspace. That removes the forced break. For blank pages created by paragraph marks or section breaks, show paragraph. Select those symbols and delete them to collapse the space and merge pages. Finish by verifying the document reflow and page numbering. Switch to Print Layout and scan the navigation pane to ensure the page is gone. If the page persists, inspect for section breaks, linked headers/footers, or objects anchored to that page and remove or reposition them. Section breaks often require deleting the break or adjusting margins. Make sure to save a copy before sweeping edits. And remember, you can always press Ctrl+Z to undo accidental deletions. This protects content while you tidy the document.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.